Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about polygon in this video. Okay, and we'll talk about types of it as well. Okay, so in order to understand first of all polygon, we need to understand one term which we call simply closed curve. Okay, or curve. So what exactly is simply closed curve? Let's say I am drawing a shape, any curve. Okay, now I pick a point on the boundary of it. I move along the boundary now. When I reach, let's say this point was A, now at the end I'm again reaching on the same initial position. So these kind of shapes will be closed curves. Alright. First of all, let's see some examples over it. In order, so we have these shapes. See this. If I pick a point here, I move along, I end up here. Initial point and final point are different. It is not a closed curve. Okay? No. Same here, if I start from here, I'll end it here. No. And in these three, if you see, when you start from a point, you will again reach on the same point when you will move along the boundary. So these kind of shapes are closed curve, or we can say simply closed curve. Okay. When we talk about polygon, what exactly polygon is? So polygon is a simply closed curve, a simply closed curve made up of only line segments is known as polygon. So basically when we talk about polygon, two things we can keep in mind. First of all, closed curve. Second thing, made up of line segment. Now if you see this example, if I want to close the shape, then I need minimum 3 lines. I need one more line in order to close it. Now it's a polygon. So when we talk about example of polygons, so it starts from 3 sides. First of all, made up of 3 sides, which we call triangle. Then we have 4 sides, we call it quadrilateral. So with this we can get to know that polygons are classified on the basis of number of their sides. If number of sides is 3, it's triangle. If number of sides is 4, then it's quadrilateral, and so on. All right. Now, few important points. The point where two sides meet, we call it sides. These line segments, we will call them sides of the polygon. Okay. And where two sides meet, like these points, they will be called as vertex or vertices, like these points. So the number of sides, let's say 3, then there will be total 3 sides and 3 vertex. If number of sides are 4, 4 sides and 4 vertex. Let's say number of sides are 5, 6, let's say 7, and 7 sides and 7 vertex. All right. So that's what about a polygon is. Now let's talk about types of polygon. When we talk about types of polygon, okay, then we have concave polygon and convex polygon. Okay, but before that, one important term you need to understand, which we call diagonal. What exactly diagonal? When you meet any two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So let's say this point I meet with this vertices. So these two, let's say this is A, B, C, D. So here B and D are non-consecutive non-consecutive vertices, right? So when I join them, I get a diagonal. Same with when I'll join A and C, I'll get a diagonal. In triangle, we don't have any diagonal. Why? Because we don't have any non-consecutive vertices. If you see, if I pick this vertex, then this is also consecutive, this is also consecutive, right? That's why. Okay. So diagonal you have understood. Now let's talk about types of polygon, which is concave and convex. Okay. See these shapes. Now it will be very easy for you to understand only on the basis of first interior angle, second diagonal. How? Let me tell you. When we talk about convex polygon, then it says that every interior angle should be less than 180. Should be less than 180 degree. So see these shapes. Here, any interior angles you will see like this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle. They all will be less than 180 degree itself. There won't be any single angle which will be equals to 180 or more than 180, right? So one property is this. Second property, and on the other hand, on the just opposite of it, when we talk about concave, if at least one angle is more than 180 degree, then it is concave polygon. All right. Second condition says, okay, now first of all let's talk about this angle 180 degree. So here we can see this angle is greater than 180 degree. All right, and in this example we can say this angle is greater than 180 degree. All right, this angle is 180 degree, and if you don't see any angle which is greater than 180 degree, then there is second condition as well. What does it say? When you draw a diagonal in polygon, then every point of the diagonal should lie inside of the polygon. Should lie in the interior part, we can say interior of the polygon. And if any point of the diagonal passing through the exterior part of the polygon, then it will be concave polygon. First of all, let me tell you what is interior and exterior parts. So if I talk about this, then it all will be interior part, and now all the external parts will be any point which will lie on outside. So let's take one example. I will draw some points: point P, point Q, point C, point D, point F. So here P, Q, C, they all are interior parts of polygon, and when I talk about D point and F point, they are exterior part of the polygon. Now this says if diagonal should lie interior part. Now draw any two diagonal. This, they will lie inside only. See, same we can see in every example of convex polygon. They all are convex polygon, and they all are concave polygon. Now, so here diagonal will lie interior of the polygon itself. Okay, and if at least one diagonal, it doesn't matter that every diagonal should lie outside. If only one diagonal will be there that will lie outside of the polygon, then it will be known as concave polygon. Okay, we will see example. We will see in this. Okay, here if I draw this vertices and this vertices, the diagonal becomes like that. It is in the exterior part of the polygon. Same with here. See, same here also we can say. Same here. There are so many diagonals which lie outside of the polygon. So they all are example of concave polygon and convex polygon. So now we have studied about this. So let's make a summary what we have discussed in this session. So first of all, we discussed about polygon. Before that, we talked about closed curve. Then what is a polygon? A simply closed curve made up of only line segment. Okay, and it's classified on the basis of number of their sides. Then we talked about diagonal as well, then convex polygon and concave polygon. So I hope you like this video. So please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day to all of you.